Okay. I don't know if it's a feature of this mod and the rain is so loud, but I'm struggling to hear Mr. Valentine. Why are we admiring the scenery here? Shouldn't we be moving towards the house? Is this it? You gonna let us in? Come on! Move it! Susan getting impatient. What is he doing? Is he trying to rile us up here?
No way I can pick this.
Yeah, Bob giving him a bit of a push. Even Bob's getting impatient.
Clip Valentine.
Hold your horses.
Hold my horses! We're stood in the peeing down rain and you're just gawping, man. Come on, move it!
Keep an eye out.
I ain't playing. Got the big gun ready.
One heck of a walk. Something to hide, come on. Why don't we give it?
Me?